Hey guys, it's Gabby. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. So for today's video, I decided to do a crochet install. Y'all know I love a good crochet install. So let me go ahead and just show you my braid pattern. So here is a look at the front. And I've got about 12 braids in front, and then here is a look at the back. As y'all know, I love to do a very flat install for my crochet braids just because I like to transition out of whatever style that I put in my head today, keep my braid pattern up, and I might either do another crochet install, I might do a pixie cut, or I might just do like a lace wig. So I love to be versatile with my future styles when it comes to my braid pattern. So that is why you tend to see me with a similar braid pattern like this, okay? Now I did pick up this hair from my local beauty supply store. It is in the color 1B, and this is a look at the packaging. So I have the Model Glance braid, and it is in the natural small, or it says natural twist small. At least I think the S stands for small. I'm not sure, but it is about 10 inches, and if you can't see, let me see. Yeah, that should be a good look at the packaging here. Yeah, I think I purchased about 10 packs, but I'll have the exact number of packs that I purchased right here. And I do plan to use almost all or all of the packs, as much as I can pack onto my hair as possible, because I love big hair and I want my hairstyle to be very full and nice looking. So let me just go ahead and just take this hair out of the packaging. Alright, so here is a nice look at the twist. Like I mentioned, they're about 10 inches. Okay, and very beautiful, very soft, bouncy. Yeah, so I'm excited for this install. Honestly, I feel like this hair caught my eye because of how short it is. I definitely love short hair. I love a 10-inch that's nice and full. So I'm gonna go ahead and just try this hairstyle out and see if I like it, and I might continue to purchase this hair in the future. So if you are interested in watching the installation of this hair, then definitely keep on watching. Okay, so to crochet the front, I'm gonna take one single strand, and I'm going to just push my crochet needle through. All right, open it up, hook the hair onto the crochet needle, close it, and then pull it through. But then I'm going to keep the crochet needle on the hair, and then we're just going to loop the rest of the hair onto the end through the hoop, and then secure it like that. And also, one of the things I noticed I love about this hair is that it comes with a natural hole. So let me see here. Okay, there it is. So it comes with a natural hole, so all I have to do is put that hole onto my crochet needle, and then I'm good to pull the hair through. So as you can see, I'm not gesturing to open up the hole on here because it's already there, and all I have to do is hook it on, close the hook, and pull it through, and then just use the crochet needle to pull the rest of the hair through. All right, so yeah, I'm going to continue that method until I am done with the front of my head. Okay, so here is a look at the back. Really nice length, definitely really nice and full. So yeah, let me shake it a little bit. Alright, now for this hair, like I mentioned, I used all 8 packs. Now I counted, and it actually comes with 26 pieces per pack, so that would be times 8, which is 208 pieces in my head, y'all. Like, and I mean, it might be full, it might be too full to some people, but for me, honestly, I love how it looks. I love how it lays. I love the fullness, and it just looks like a complete install. It doesn't look incomplete in no way. It doesn't say how long this hair is on the packaging, so I'm just gonna use this really quickly, and I'm not gonna stretch it out. I'm just gonna take it to a certain point. So alright, so this hair would be 9 inches. So it's about a little under 9 inches, but definitely around that. So we're just gonna call it 9 inches. Alright guys, so that wraps up today's video. I'm really glad that I purchased and installed this hair when I did. I am definitely looking for a break from my natural hair, you know, just to minimize the styling and just focus on nourishing and giving my hair exactly what it needs to grow. I've been experiencing a lot of hair growth, so this is going to just aid in that process. And yeah, if you're interested in the top that I have on, I will show you the complete view on Instagram, so be sure to follow me on Instagram at gabbysqueendom. Also, if you are not already subscribed to me on YouTube, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and also tap that notification bell so you'll get instant alerts anytime your girl uploads a video. Alright, so thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.